In this lesson, I'm going to be doing a quick overview of the tools and resources that I'm going to be using within this course. And of course, you can use your own editor. If you're looking for an editor or if you want to use the same one that I'm using, I'm going to be using Brackets. This is available free from Brackets.io. It's an open source text editor and it's from Adobe. It's an Adobe product and it's pretty good. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of great features. And what we're doing, we're just doing some front end coding here and it's all going to be running within the browser. So Brackets is going to be more than sufficient for our needs for the purposes of this course. So if you want to check out Brackets, it's available at Brackets.io. The other resource that we're going to be using is we need a browser. So again, this is front-end code, JavaScript. All it needs is a browser to render out, and that's where we're able to go over to the web URL or the local URL and render it out. So all of the heavy lifting is done via the browser, and we are going to be relying on developer tools. So developer tools give us a little interface that opens up and allows us to write code in there. And we're also able to see some of the code, and it's really useful, especially when you're doing JavaScript coding, to see any JavaScript errors. There's different ways to open it, whether you're on a Mac or you're on a Windows machine. You can open it on a Windows, Control-Shift-I. On a Mac, it's Command-Opt-I. And what happens is, or you can just simply click anywhere on a blank space on your web page, hit Inspect, and that will open up the console. So the console is this right here. I can clear that out because that's an error on their page, not on our page. And we can see that within here, I can write some JavaScript. And whatever I write here actually is going to get executed in the page. So I can go to any website, I can hit Inspect, I can find out, I can see if they've got some errors, I can take a closer look at their HTML, and so on. And I can also find out if they've loaded in jQuery. So let me clear that out as well. So if I do jQuery and if it returns something, then we know that the site is actually using jQuery. So that's a quick and easy way to find out if a website has jQuery. So now we're ready to go. We're ready to continue. Just let me show you another thing here with the console. We can grab things and we can run jQuery functions. So what I did is right now is I hid all of the body content on Brackets. And it's as easy as that with jQuery to do some really cool things. So the purposes of this course, of course, is to highlight what can be done with jQuery. So when you're ready, let's get started and start creating some amazing things with jQuery.